In this video, I will show you how to highlight dates in the next n number of days in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have invoice amounts and their due dates in these columns. Now I want to highlight the invoices that are due in the next 5 days contained in the E6 cell. Excel stores dates as serial numbers and it starts from the 1st January 1900, which is represented by the number 1. So if we have the number 1 in the cell and we format it as a date, it will be displayed as the 1st January 1900, as we can see from this example. Similarly, if we have the number 10 and format the cell as a date, it will be displayed as 10th January 1900 like this. Since the dates are just numbers, we can directly compare two dates using the greater than or less than sign. To highlight the date in the next n number of days, I will get all the dates that are greater than or equal to today and less than or equal to today plus next 10 days. Let's create a formatting rule based on this. Select the range of the cells containing dates. Now go to the Home tab, click the Conditional Formatting option and then select the New Rule menu item. Select the Use a Formula to determine which cells to format option from the rule type list. Now we need to enter a custom formula that either returns a true or false value. I will use this formula that checks if the invoice date is greater than or equal to today, and then if the invoice date is less than or equal to today's date plus n days using the end function. If the invoice date contained in the C3 cell is between today and the next n number of days, this formula will return true, otherwise it will return false. Excel will automatically apply this formula to the remaining cells in the selected range. I will also make the E6 cell reference absolute using the dollar signs like this so that it does not change when Excel applies this formula to other cells. Now click the Format button to open the Format Cells dialog box. Since we want to change the cell background, select the Fill tab from the top. Select a background color to apply to the date values. I am going to choose the light red color. Click the OK button to close the Format Cells dialog box. Make sure to check the Preview section to confirm the cell format. This custom cell format will be applied to a cell only when the formula we entered returns true for that particular cell. In this case, this format applies when the date is between today and next 10 days. Click the OK button to close the Conditional Formatting dialog box. As you can see, all the invoice dates due in the next n days are highlighted in a light red color. This conditional formatting rule is dynamic, so if we modify any highlighted invoice date and make it after n days, the format will be removed automatically like this. Similarly, if we change any other invoice date to a date between today and the next n days, it will be highlighted in a light red color like this. We can also change the n number of days in the E6 cell to dynamically select the invoice dates due in the next 10 days. To remove the conditional formatting from these cells, select all the dates again. Now click the Conditional Formatting option from the Home tab and then select the Clear Rules menu item. Since we want to remove the conditional formatting rule from the selected date cells, I will select the Clear Rules from Selected Cells option. As you can see, the conditional formatting is now removed from the date cells. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.